What's the most American thing ever that if explained to a non-American might just sound crazy? 1. Florida. 2. The best chicken joints are in the hood and usually have bulletproof glass. 3. Those prescription medication commercials that read out horrible and deadly side effects while people are happily playing in the park. 4. Aerosol cheese. 5. Launching a red sports car into space seemed like a pretty quintessentially American thing to do. 6. I honestly couldn't believe people had to worry about calling an ambulance because of the fees. Like WTF? Imagine being seriously hurt or sick and hesitating to call an ambulance and having to think about how much it will cost. Can't imagine it. 7. As a South African, what amazed me was the competitors call each other out in advertisements. I couldn't believe it at first. It seemed so unusual. 8. Play the national anthem at almost every event and every single morning in schools. 9. Massive grocery warehouse stores like Costco where you can buy supersized versions of everything. 10. I'm totally Irish, meaning, your great-great-grandfather's uncle once had a pint of Guinness.